Hello there. In this video, I am going to talk on pillar drill machine or drill press machine. You will understand different parts and accessories. You can see a typical pillar drill machine on my left side. Generally, this machine is to produce a cylindrical hole of a given diameter and a given depth on your workpiece. You may see in two drawings here. Let's go to understand different parts. First, drill chuck and drill bit. Drill chuck is spindle mounted mechanism to hold the drill or drill bit or the cutting tool. Drill bit is the cutting tool. Please look at this actual machine. Number 1 chuck, number 2 drill bit, number 3 chuck key. Chuck key is a tool to tighten or loosen the jaws of the chuck. Now I am going to show you a small video clip on those. Drill chuck, drill bit, chuck key. Next, workpiece, drill vise, work table. Workpiece is mounted on the drill vise. Both are on the work table. Number 7 column, number 8 adjustment handle, number 9 table lock. The column stands vertically on the base at one end. It supports the work table and drill head. There is an adjustment handle for moving the work table up and down. And you can lock the table using the table lock. In this video clip, you can clearly see the work table going up and down vertically, and this is the column, and you have the adjustment handle here. So the table lock will do the locking part. Number 10 pulleys, number 11 feed handle, number 12 electric motor. You can change the RPM or speed of the drill bit using pulleys and belts inside this box. Feed handle will help you to raise or lower the spindle or drill bit. Electrical motor provides the rotary motion to the system. So this is an actual pulleys and belt system with the feed handle, and you can see the electric motor here. So the feed handle You can bring your drill bit up and down vertically. Now you have some idea on the machine. It is the time for you to start the machine now. There are two buttons, switch on, the green one, switch off, the red one, and for sudden stopping, you have an emergency stop button here. Let's see how these are going to work. Switching on, you switch off, switch on. Number 16, the base is made of cast iron. There is a drill press guard for your safety. Sometimes it is called safety shield or protective guard. And you can adjust it using this adjustment knob, or sometimes it will be a butterfly nut here. In some machines, they do have a digital display. You may see the RPM and the drilling depth digitally on the screen. The LED lamp for proper lighting, spindle and bearing mechanism is to hold and turn the chuck and drill bit very smoothly. So that's another mechanism you have in the pillar drill. In the next video, I am going to show you how to start a small drilling operation step by step. Till then, thank you very much.